All right. Bird is stuck here, and we have fire. Can you see the red fire now? Now, 1 second. Now, this is the fire. Now, this is the Paw Patrol. This is the Paw Patrol lookout. Where's, 1 second. Where's Ryder? Where's Ryder? We need Ryder here to call up. We need Ryder. Ryder is over there. Go get Ryder. Go get him. Right there. Get him.
What?
Ryder. Come here, Ryder. Here. Come to the command center. Pops. We need Ryder. We need Ryder. Put him there. Pops. We see there's a bird stuck in there. We see a bird stuck under the fire, and the fire is about to eat him up. So what we need to do is get together and save him. We need to get together and save him. Let's call all the Pops. Let's call all the Pops, Ryder. Call all the Pops, Ryder.
What? I'm on it.
Marshall, can you go get him? Yes, I'm on it. All right, to the engine number 3. Go. Number 3, engine number 3. All right. Choo. Push the button. This button. Move. All right, aim, 1, 2, and push. Ooh, fire's out. Nice. Now what we need to do? Now we need to get the ladder to go all the way there. Can you come help me get the ladder? Turn it to the other side. Let's get the ladder. Get the ladder here and get the bird out. Get the ladder. All right. Turn it this way. All right. Come here. Let's put this out. Can you take it out? Here, come take this one out. Here, come take it out. Let's get the ladder out. Take this one out. Take it out. Woo. Now, we can put Marshall there. Put Marshall here. So we can save him. Put Marshall. Alright, now let's extend the ladder all the way out. Can you extend the ladder? Can you extend this ladder? This one. Put it all the way out. Yes. Now Marshall can come out. And here he goes. He goes and saves the bird. Birdie, come on with me. Woo, I save you, Birdie. Come with me. All the way down. Don't crush him. Back up. All right, we saved Bird. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. Thank you for saving me.